Hi learners, very good morning. Welcome to Unify Study. Morning, good morning. Pushpa, KV channel, Archana, Lakshmi Rana, Nitya, Charanya, MD Tech, Chandrika, very good morning. So today it's going to be a mock test based on the questions being asked in 3/1/2025. Asked in 2025. So learners, those who are new to our platform, do subscribe and like the video. Watch till the end. Today it's going to be most important for us revision. Those who are going to write your examination for the upcoming days of net exams, right? Yes, very good morning. Very good morning. Thanks for your hearts. It's very good morning, everyone. For before starting the previous year question, that means the practice question, I would just like to tell you what are all the important concepts we have got questions yesterday. By making that analysis, I'll just quickly get into the concept. So see, yesterday we have got a DI based question. First is of 3 tables, 2 tables, now they are moved to 3 tables, and in evening shift they have asked a missing value table. Those who have missed the analysis, please do listen. Just 2 minutes I will complete. Missing values they have taken, and RC is said to be easy on both the shifts, so no issues with that one. And teaching aptitude, we have got questions from LMS tools. We have got question learner centric, that is to student related questions. We have got questions from LMS, and then we have got question from inquiry based learning, inquiry based model of learning. Okay, from this we have got question from teaching aptitude, and we have got questions from Skinner theory, that is reinforcement theory. We have got question, and then we have got question, both the shifts I am together I am telling, and in other shifts we have got questions from cooperative learning. Very very important, cooperative learning we have got question, and then we have got question from evaluation, right? And then we have Vygotsky theory. From that also related question was there, not exactly, we have got a related question from Vygotsky theory. Okay, this is from teaching aptitude. From research aptitude, we have got questions from sampling, and we have got question from statistics, like standard deviation we have got a question, and then we have got question from hypothesis, and then we have got question some empirical model, like that we have got a question. And these are the things from research aptitude, usual question. And from communication, again and again they are giving more insist towards mass communication, mass media communication. Yesterday we have got question from digital age, one question has come. Communication barrier we had a question, and one more thing, we have got a question from sequencing of what, radio, TV, internet, and all those things. We have got a question from the sequence based questions we have got. And then we have got a question from fallacy. Again and again I am insisting, please do revise your logical reasoning concepts. LR we did last 15 days revision we did, right? In that one we have done the most important. Do revise the last 15 days revision class that we done in Unify Study YouTube channel and also in the page. And the questions are all based on the previous year question pattern. So pattern means what? See, if you take logical reasoning, fallacy, informal fallacy, Indian logic, and these are the topics which is being repeated again. So that pattern is also repeated this time also. So please kindly go through the fallacy section, very very important. Indian logic kindly go through, we have done in the last week previous year session we have done. Please do revise logical reasoning, Indian logic, both formal and informal fallacies. And then we have got question from square of opposition, contrary, subcontrary, contradictory, subaltern, that basic concept. And what will be, if A is true, what about the other proposition, whether it will be true or undetermined or false. That concepts we have to be very clear, because that also we are getting repeated question. We have already done, please do revise. We also now do some practice questions over here. These are the questions from logical reasoning, and one question from mood and figure is also there. So kindly go through moods and figures. Today we will do it here also. And from PDE we have got questions from the that protocols and conventions. We have got question convention on biological diversity, and some amendments we have got questions. And we have got question from smog, right? SMOG we have got questions, and apart from that we have got from higher education, most weightage has been given to higher education. We have got questions from ancient university, and then from ancient university scholars we have got a question, and then we have got question from commission, arranging the commissions in the ascending descending order, like arranging the commissions in the order. So this was the questions being asked from the higher education. Clear on us? And ICT we have already told number conversion is must, similar as told. We have got question from number conversion, and recently we did Excel based question. Please do revise the Excel question. Excel questions we have got question, right? Excel based questions, definite practice necessary. Please kindly do it. Excel questions we have got question, right? So these are the various topics whatever I have left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next comes mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning finds easy this time, not that much difficult questions was being asked as per the 2 shifts. Monday it's going to be for computer science. They think that computer science students are more intelligent, so they will ask some kind of tricky question. Be ready for that one. We'll be having coding, and we have got coding, decoding, series completion as expected. These 2 topics are similar. And one more thing is from direction sense test. In one shift direction sense test question was being asked, and in one shift simple interest questions has been asked. Definitely Kokila ma'am, tomorrow morning we will do in Tamil, right? We will do it. Yes, we will do it. And coding and decoding is there, and direction sense is there, simple interest is there. These questions we have got from mathematical reasoning. So please kindly go through. Most of the things has been from the pattern of previous year question. We have done 22, 20, 23, 24. These question patterns in our most repeated, right? Most repeated topics in our YouTube channel and also in the app session. Please, if you are a paid learner, go through all the things which we have done under this paid June 2024 previous year question. Most important, please do revise. Monday is computer science, 3rd shift of examination. We can expect related terms of question. More questions we can expect from computer related things like memory. We can get the question, IP address, like protocols, like that we can expect question. But if we have some kind of favorable situation, we can also get to be easy and simple questions, right? So let us all pray and manifest to get simple questions, so that we can, if it is simple, cutoff will become high. Understand? If it is difficult for everyone, then so that is the difference, okay? But we will try to give our best. If it is hard also, we should give our best. Easy also, we should give our best. The only problem is when it is easy, you should not do any mistake in any single question. If the question paper is easy, if you miss one single question, definitely that will be reflected in your result. Understand? So if the question paper is easy, means then you have to be very careful attending each and every single question. Each and every 2 marks matters a lot for us, okay? So be conscious. Only you on the laptop with that system at that point of time when you write the examination, go very slowly, read the question, understand it, connect it, confirm, and then give the answer. Very conscious we have to give, right? Yes. Any questions from NEP 2020? NEP? One question from higher education we have got from new universities. We have got one question from new universities. One question was there. Yes. NEP is there. Yes, NEP is there. One question from NEP they have asked. Yes. One question from NEP, it was there. Okay. Practice, ma'am, please. Okay, RK channel. Right. Shall we start, learners? Come on, these are the important questions. Write it down in your notebook. Many of the things we have done in our YouTube sessions and also in our practice sessions we have done. Go through those things. Very important. Revision is must. I will not take too much of your time today. Just I will go with previous year questions and related questions, so that will be a practice for you. Question starts now. Question starts now. Quick, do it. No delay. Very good morning, everyone. Very good morning, everyone. Come on, let's start doing. Teaching is learner centered. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is, which of the following is, why all are giving E option, D option? Why all are giving? Yes, right, right. Which of the following strategies are learner centered? Which of the following strategies are learner centered? Learner centered teaching strategies. Teaching strategies. Listen carefully. The question here is, which of the following strategies of teaching is learner centered? Okay, this question is just little bit critical. We have to understand what is there in this question. Yes, very good, very good. Here you may get confused, ma'am. We can eliminate option B. Okay, option B will not come. Lecture with audio visual will not come. Question answer session will also not come, because that is also for a learner center. We can eliminate this. You may get confused with cybernetics, practical task based project and group discussion. See, group discussion is also a method of learner centric, but this is said to be like a group task. Learners sit together and then doing, right? That is called group discussion. Here the teaching methods can be of teacher centered method, and then we can have like learner centered method, and then we can have a mixed method. Okay, teacher centered method, learner centered method, and this can be of mixed method. Here the question is about what are all the things teaching is being done in terms of learner centered. So when it comes in terms of learner centered, where learner will place, right? So here we have a cybernetics, and then we are practical task based project, practical based project work. These are the strategies of teaching in learner centered, where this group discussion comes under here mixed method of teaching, where the people will be sit together. One may be very good, one may be very less in towards learning. So that kind of task we call group discussion method. Please try to understand the difference. Here when it comes to pure learner centered method, means we can have cybernetics, we can have a group project work, we can have simulation based learning, right? Simulation based learning, it is pure learner based method. And then we can have like having the case study, heuristic method. All these things comes under learner centric. Don't get confused, listen carefully. The strategies of teaching is learner centered. Learner centered means what? Learner will be more active, and that is called learner centered method. And cybernetics, we all know, right? It is based on computer based instruction which gives us, and I'll be studying on my own, right? The learner will be oriented towards a learner, and the task will be given there. That is called cybernetics. And here lecture will not come, question will not come. Practical task based project, here the learner will be focused more of doing that project work. Group discussion, what is the difference between D and E? Why you left cybernetics? Ma'am, option C, strategy encourages active participation from learners. Ma'am, but option C is strategy encourages active. Question and answer session is the teacher asks the question, answer will be given, right? That is like asking question. This is a previous year question asked in 2020 itself. 2020. I repeat you again very clearly, listen. The strategies of teaching is said to be learner centered, where the learner plays a very vital role in terms of project work. For sure it will be there, right? Yes, this is done. And then we have to get confused with cybernetics and group discussion. See, cybernetics like computer based instruction, all these things comes under the Cybernetics, where learner plays an important role in learning something, of doing next what they have to do, all based on like towards a goal oriented by this learner. Okay, so that is why cybernetics has been done. Why not group discussion here? Group discussion is also based on learner center, but here it is of like a mixed method of both learner and the teacher. Am I clear? Yes, that is why here the right answer for the question is cybernetics and the practical based project method. Clear? You can write it down. Where the demonstration method, all those things comes under that way. Exactly, Yashoda. Coursera is an example of cybernetics. Yes, good, right. Where that is all purely based on learner. Very good. Next one. How was the question? First question itself, it's become made you confused, na? But write it down. You will get a clarity. Next question. Easy one. This you will do it correct. Very good. Yes, very good, very good. Virtual labs and simulation, this we did in our class of tools and all, right? This we have done in a neat table format we have done, that is PHET, interactive simulators for virtual labs and simulations. Right, very good. Yes, next question. Ma'am, June 2025 start பண்ணுவீங்க. After this exams, ma'am. By second week of January we will start. Sure. Which are the following online methods of teaching? Online methods of teaching. Online methods of teaching. Eliminate. Eliminate online methods of teaching. Quick answers, learners. Quick. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, very good. Online methods of teaching. Yes, good. The right answer for this question is option number 2 is the right answer. Online methods using LMS, meeting audio conferencing tool, eliminate chalk and talk, it will not come. We can eliminate. And Swayam and Swayam Prabha, online methods of teaching, field based activity. It is not online, it is offline. Very good. Next question on board. Brainstorming as a method can be used for dash. Do it. Very good. Brainstorming is a method dash. Very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number 3 is the right answer. Yes, Jayachandran sir, it is a TV channel. But like through that also teaching is being done. Through that teaching is being done. In TV channel what they do, they teach, right? They take lessons, they take conceptual classes there. So through online method we learn. Okay, good. Here the right answer is brainstorming as a method can be used for generating new ideas in the area of interest, where group of students sit together, put their minds and generate some new ideas, right? So option 3 is the right answer. Next question. Identify an activity that use inquiry based learning approach. Yesterday we have got from this inquiry based learning. Inquiry based learning. Inquiry means what? Try to answer what do you mean by inquiry. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, very good. The right answer for this question is yes, satellite channels, DTH. The right answer is visiting a community for data collection, going there and talking to them, making them, collecting data from them and trying to know more about them, asking questions, right? That is inquiry based learning. Next one. Read it carefully and then answer. No hurry. I think tomorrow on Monday exam we can expect ICT more tools, conversions we can expect more, and in regarding that what is that main paper 2 we can expect questions, right? Very good. Okay, so let me check how many of you giving the right answer for this question. Canvas is an online tool used to prepare creative content in form of poster, infographics, presentation. And then EduPuzzle is an online tool for creating interactive videos. Option 1 is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? This is not Canvas. This is Canva. Canva is an online tool. Canvas is an LMS learning management system. Very good. Those who have given wrong option, please do check. We have already, I have told you what is EduPuzzle, what is Canva, what is Canvas, everything we have discussed. Right? Yes, it is a learning management system. Very good. Yes, Canvas is a learning management system. Canva is a tool for creating infographics, presentation, posters. Next question on board. And do this one. Do this one. Very good. Very good. Read the question properly. Read it carefully. Read it carefully. Constructive teachers would encourage students to explore multiple sources of knowledge and not rely on textbooks alone. Learning is sought actively by learners and thereby constructed collaboratively by student and the teacher. Read the question carefully. Okay, the right answer for this question is, I don't know why got confused here. The right answer for this question is option number 1 is the right answer. Listen carefully. Constructivist teacher means the teacher will not say only this book alone is important for you to study. Okay, so they will be saying you can go there, explore this book, you can study, you can go to this website, you can study this. These are the different ways where you can get the content and the resources regarding this. You can study along with your friend. He is very good in that one. He will give you some enough knowledge you can gather from him. You can go and ask that scholar so that he will be having very good knowledge about it. So that which will show the multiple sources of knowledge regarding some learning. That is constructive teacher. And here the reason, because learning is sought actively by learners and thereby constructed collaboratively. Collaboratively means this, multiple sources of knowledge being explored to student. Explored means what? I can able to get it from many people by the student and the teacher. You understand? Right? So here the right answer is option 1 and 2 is the, sorry, both are right. It's supporting the assertion also. Clear? Yes. Next question. We are getting questions like match the following, multiple options, selecting multiple options, and then we are getting statement based question, right? These are the educational philosophists and with which domain they are strong. Very good. Very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Any of you giving right answers? The right answer for this question is option number 3, Skinner. Skinner is for what? Behaviorist theory. That too, especially of Skinner, is for operant conditioning. Pavlov is for classical conditioning. Skinner is for operant conditioning. Whereas classical conditioning works on stimulus and response, and operant conditioning works on that reward and reinforcement and punishment. And then Maslow hierarchy, it talks about what? It is for humanistic theory. And then Vanier Graham is for cognitive theory. He is one of the theorists there. Bandura social, Albert Bandura is for social cognitive theory. Clear? Yes. Next one. Oh, just now I gave you the answer also. You can tell me quick. Just now I gave you the answer. You can give me quick. Let's do it quick. Very good. The theory of learning by Skinner is proposed operant conditioning. Yes, next question. Skin will operate. Very good, Ahanu. Do this one, do this one. Very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number A. Teacher nods, smile comes under the positive non-verbal reinforcement. Okay. Here, what is positive verbal reinforcement? Very good. You have done very good. That is comes under positive verbal reinforcement. Negative verbal reinforcement means talking like you are not good. It's very bad, right? Negatively saying thing makes them to feel bad, right? Negative verbal reinforcement. Negative non-verbal means like angry or staring at people, like the negative connotation when we do some non-verbal actions, it's called negative non-verbal reinforcement. Okay, next one. Now comes, I think you can give the answer now. Continuous loud noise is avoided by closing the door. This is an example of what? Now also I gave the clue. Very good, quick. Very good, very good. Yes, the right answer is negative reinforcement. Loud noise is avoided. Okay, you don't want to shout means what I'll do? Just bang the door and come inside. It is negative reinforcement, right? Very good. Now you only do for your kids. What, ma? Me, No, 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 no. I can't do that one. If I do means they will do back to me, right? So I will not do. I have convinced them by making their favorite breakfast. So now they have become very happy. So they will not disturb me till for 1 hour. They will not disturb because I have made them convinced, right? Like positive reinforcement in terms of giving their favorite breakfast. So now they are happy, right? Because they love that breakfast. So they said, okay. When I was cooking, they smelled, you are cooking this, ma, I get very happy. So that is positive reinforcement. I made it, I made them happy and I came inside. Yes, next one. Communication, noise and description. Sometimes we have to make them happy, right? That too easily we can convince by food only. You get your family members. We can make them feel happy by making their favorite food. If I want to make my amma cool, means I have to clean everything and I come, she will not scold me. If I want to make my children happy, means if I cook their favorite food, they will not scold me. Yes. Yeah. Right. So there are many housewives are there, working women are there. What to do? It will be little bit hard for us. My hands are paining because I just made that breakfast, but they will not scold me, right? Yes. Right answer for this question is options. Type of mistake, ma'am. What happened? Okay. Sorry, Akshaya, ma'am. Very good. Yes, right. Sumati, ma'am, you got it. Yes, it's idiopum. Yes, right. 2, 3. I have changed now. No distraction. Come on, let's do it. Semantic, physical, psychological and physiological. Now do it. Yes, many of you are giving answers for it. Option C. Yes, it's right. It's option C. It is option C is the right answer. It is B, C, D, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Yes. Semantic means what? It is regards to meaning, understanding. Physical barrier means what? Whatever noise comes outside, right? That is the noise, light and all physical barrier. Psychological barrier means talks about my mind. That is psychological barrier. Communicators prejudice, bias towards another person. And then a physiological error physiological barrier talks about the biological influence. My stomach is paining. I am having fever. So that is what the biological influence on the communication process. I am having cold. So I was not able to speak well. This is my biological influence. Physiological barrier. Right? Very good. Next one. Okay, do this one. Hundred live learners, please do like the session, right? Shall we do DI today? Shall we do DI today? Yes or no? No. Yes means put yes, I will do. Or no means no. How many big guests are coming? Oh my god. We will do. Yeah, we'll do. We'll do one DA. Yeah, sure. Yes. How many yeses are coming? The right yes, we have mathematical reasoning with difficult level questions. I'll try. The right answer for this question is A, B, C, D is the right answer. Noise, negative attitude, unclear graphics and slang language. These are the barriers for effective communication. Next question. Let's do it. Kari, you want missing values table? Okay. Yes, this is a PYQs. It is a PYQ. Yes, the right answer for this question is carboxyhemoglobin, where this carboxyhemoglobin is said to be very, very toxic because carbon dioxide which gets into our lungs, right, it has a more affinity towards hemoglobin. So when it has been affiniated, it is being attracted, means what will happen? The amount of oxygen is being carried in the hemoglobin will decrease. So that is why we get some kind of respiratory problem, breathing problem when we inhale carbon monoxide. Sorry, it is monoxide. Carbon monoxide, right? So this decrease the amount of oxygen with respect to transporting to other organs in our body, and this is called tissue hypoxia, right? Very good. Next question on board. Carboxyhemoglobin. Yes, next one. In water treatment, aeration is a process which dash. See, we are getting related topic. One time they are asking one line question, the same topic they are asking match the following based question or statement based question, multiple choice question. From that only I have bought all this. Yes, very good. Aeration we did last week, we did. Aeration we did. Very good, very good. We will do DI, Divya. We will do it. We will do it. So right answer for this question is removing of excess and objectionable gases from the. This is the first stage of aeration we will do. Wastewater we will do, right. Sand and grit will be removed, and then aeration is that whatever this gases is there, that will be removed. So that is the process of aeration. Right, very good. Do this one. Which of the following air pollutants help in formation of photochemical smog? This is for you. Okay. The right answer is oxides of nitrogen is the right answer. Okay. So photochemical smog is because of, see, whenever my daughter is telling right answer for this question and she is going. She was telling oxides of nitrogen, right. She was asking me and going. That's what. So gaseous pollutants are there, right? It is of oxides of carbon, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur. So oxides of carbon will be causing the greenhouse effect. As carbon is being emitted, that will be a pollution of affecting the greenhouse effect. So more of that is carbon dioxide will be there, and heat trap will be there. So that is was the cause of oxides of carbon, carbon monoxide and all those things. And oxides of nitrogen means where we have NO, NO2, NOx, all these gases. They are called oxides of nitrogen, and they create the respiratory issues. And this photochemical smog is nothing because of the VOCs there, nitrous oxides of nitrogen, which reacts with the sunlight, and that has been creating actually ozone over there. Okay, so these are the main formation of this photochemical smog. Photochemical means under the presence of sunlight. Smog means smoke plus fog, right? Yes, VOC, sunlight, nitrous, everything. And oxides of sulfur means acid rain. That is nitric acid, sulfuric acid, right? That these nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides, when they react with the clouds or water vapor over there, and they form the acids, acid rains. Okay, so those acid rains will be killing the plants. Simple. Next one. If I start doing DI, everyone will leave the class. That is what I am scared of, whether to do it or not. Yes, very good. Easy question. Yes, okay. Please, ma'am, start DI. Yes, I will do DI, ma. Here, the right answer for this question is option 1 and 3 is the right answer. Oxides of nitrogen and unburnt hydrocarbons. Right, very good. Next, quickly we'll go. And these are the primary pollutants, which includes oxides of nitrogen, particularly NO and NO2, volatile organic components. And then secondary pollutants are the PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrates, tropospheric ozone, and aldehydes. Formaldehydes and all, right? No, they are the secondary pollutants. Very good. Note it down. Next question. Do this one, do this one. Yes, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number 3. Dioxin and ferrous are highly toxic substances produced by the byproducts of solid waste inclination. Dioxin and furans are very unstable and short-lived once they are released in the atmosphere. So they are said to be very unstable and they are short-lived. This is said to be incorrect because they are called as POPs, persistent organic pollutants. They are said to be long-lived. Okay, first one is right and second one is wrong. Do this one. And these are the dioxin and furans sources by means of inclination sources, by means of combustion sources, by means of industrial sources, and by means of other sources. These dioxin and furans are coming. The problems because of these dioxins and furans, that is persistent organic pollutants, are cancer, respiratory disorder, cardiovascular disorder, neurological disorders, and reproductive disorders. These are the very important things which has been affected because of this dioxins and furans. See, these dioxins and furans mean the byproduct from industrial waste, and we also have this persistent organic pollutants. We have the pesticides which comes from the agricultural lands, right? Pesticides, because they contaminate the soil, they contaminate the water. All these things creating these kind of reproductive problems, neurological disorders, right? Yes, very good. Next question. I will be doing DI at the end because some people may not be comfortable in doing DI. So I'll complete all the theoretical questions and the last part will be DI. Okay, right. Quickly do it. The right answer for this question is yes, very good, very good. The right answer for this question is option number 3 is the right answer. First is one is said to be right, second one is said to be wrong because dioxin and furans does not takes for photochemical smokes, right? So it is eliminated. Next question. Do it quick, learners, please. Very good. The right answer for this question is it is pyrolysis, that is to dispose the solid waste management. In that one, the plastic and rubber waste disposal can be done by means of this pyrolysis, right? Very good. Next one. In solid waste management, waste utilization is achieved by what ways? Solid waste management, waste utilization is done by what ways? Yes, good, good, good. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. The right answer for this question is option number 3 is the right, 2 is the right answer. That is, yes, why all of, here reuse, reclamation and recycle is said to be the right answer for this question. Wait 1 minute. I have a doubt. Wait, please, wait, please, wait. Um, we have reuse. Reuse and recycle will be there. Yes. Reproduce will not come. We cannot reproduce anything, right? We cannot reproduce a waste utilization. We cannot reproduce. Am I right? We can reuse. I cannot reproduce the same thing. That is why that option is not there. I can reuse, but I cannot reproduce. Difference is there, no, reproduce and reuse. Clear? Yes. So that's why this option is not there, because reproduce we can't do it. Yes. Yes, reusing. Yes, right. So reclaiming and we can recycle. We cannot reproduce. That's why this option is not there. Option 2 is the right answer. Next one. Chronology, compulsory chronology. Please do it. Please do it. Take some time, half an hour of time to just go through all the years. Enough. Write it down when you write, when you practice. Do this one. Quick, 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 learners. We done? Easy one. Easy one. Yes, right, right, right. The right answer for this question is option number 4 is the right answer. Sergeant Plan 44, 1929, Hatta Committee, Calcutta Commission 1917, Hunter 1882, Indian University Act 1902. Very good, very good, very good. Next question. Quickly, quickly. Don't take too much of time. This we did recently. The purpose of giving this problem again is we have got questions from chronology based question, sequence based question. That is why I gave you this again. Yes, quick. Yes, very good. The right answer for this question is option number 4 is the right answer. CABD, Mudaliar, 1952-53, 1968 National Policy of Education, 48-49 Radhakrishnan Commission, Kothari 64-66. Next one. Quick, 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 quick. Yes, quick. Yes, the right answer for this question is very easy. The right answer is option number 3. Justice Verma Committees for Teacher Education. National Knowledge Commission is for 2005 Knowledge Sector and Technology Sector. National Commission on Teachers 1983-85. We have National Commission of Teachers and we have National Council on Teacher Education. That is NCTE. That is on 1995. Here it is National Commission of Teachers. That is called Chattopadhyaya Committee 1983-85. Secondary Education Commission, Mudaliar Commission 52-53. Next one, Open University, we have got question. Yes, do it. Yes, right, very good. Do it, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number 2 is the right answer. This is regarding the national open universities. I have clearly given you this table. Do it carefully. And these are the recent universities that have been opened. In 2021, we have Jharkhand State Open University. And then the last 5 years, please kindly go through. Odisha Open University 2015. Symbiosis Open University 2017. And then Punjab, we have an Open University. Kerala, we have an Open University 2020. 2021, Jharkhand State Open University. Just go through these things, important ones. Okay, right. Next one. Easily we can do with a known one. According to the perception, I am telling you, 1 or 2 options definitely we will know. Go and select the option with that one. We can eliminate. Okay. Yes, do it. Very good. Quick. Yes, the option is option number 2. Karnataka State Women's 96. Netaji Subhash Open University 97. UP University, Open University 98. And MP Boj Open University 91. And Nalanda State Open University, it is in 87. Next one. Quickly do it. Waiting for your answers, learners. Quick. Yes. The right answer for this question is option number 2 is the right answer. Agra University 1927, Delhi 1922, 1923, 1926. Okay, right, option 2 is the right answer. Next question. Quickly do it, ma. This I am just giving you to recall. Whether you can able to recall, that's why very minimum number of questions I have taken from this chronology. Definite chronology we can expect from higher education. Yes, very good. Yes, scribble in your notebook. Yes, very good. The right answer for this question is option number 1. Right. Yes. So Banaras Hindu University 1916, Jawaharlal Nehru University 1969, Allahabad University 1887, University of Delhi 1922. First one we have C, only one option. Simply we have selected. Next one. Environmental. Yesterday we have got question from Convention on Biological Diversities and some amendments. Try to be ready for the match the following based questions. We can expect match the following from PD tomorrow. Just quickly do it. good, very good. The right answer for this question is option number 2 is the right answer. First one will comes from Montreal 1987. Next we have a Rio Summit 1992, and then we have Kyoto 1995, and then we have 2016. Yes, very good. Next question on board. COP21 World Summit. Let's do it quick. Very good, very good. Yes, the right answer is option number 3 is the right answer. How? See, first we have a Montreal Protocol again 1987. 1987. Here this Earth Summit we have in the year 1992. Right? And then this COP we have in 2015. And then this World Summit on Sustainable Development in the year 2012. Am I right? What is the recent summit happened? Recent Sustainable Development Conference held when? When did we have the recent Sustainable Development Conference? Recent one. Recent one we had in 2023 in New York we had. Okay. Yes, note it down. Next one. Do it quick. Yes, very good, quick. The right answer for this question is option number 2 is the right answer. That is BCADE ICSSR 1969. Please note down. Very important. Must ask question. Please note it down. Next question. British era universities, they've asked question, right? So whatever universities which we have given there in our higher education revision playlist, okay, please kindly check that British era universities, what are all been there, we have done it clearly with years. Please note it down, and then important colleges, write it down, take a printout, take a mark it down. Yes, very good. Yes, right answer is option number 4 is the right answer. 1881 Stephen College, Hislop College, this is recent question. 1800 Fort William College, 1818 Semaphore, and then Pune Sanskrit College 1821. Yes, very good. This is one important note, please make a note of it. Articles. Article number 45, 46, 29, 30, 41 and 51A, 21A. Regarding higher education, all these articles are most important. Provision for free and compulsory education for children, article number 45. And then we have 46 article, promotion of educational economic interest of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other weaker section, that is to access to higher education for disadvantaged groups, article 46. Article 29, very important, it is for interest of minorities. And article 30, next one itself is to right to minorities to establish institutions. Okay, 29 is to protection of interest of minorities. 30 for to right for the minorities to establish institutions. And then right through for article 41 is to right to work, education and to public assistance in certain cases. Okay, so having that responsibility, article 41. 51A is for fundamental duties, so that we can be a part of it. 51A. And then Article 21A, right to education, where it gives free and compulsory education to all children. Note it down, we can expect question. I am hiding. Wait, I will hide myself. I'll hide myself. 1 minute. Now okay? Now clear? Yes, so Article 21, right to education, please note it down. Very, very important. Clear? Got it? Yes. Very clear? Right. So now I'll go to the next topics. Okay. Right. Next one. Next from ICT. I expect questions from these areas. Critical questions will be there. Fastest, slowest in terms of speed. In terms of speed. Very good. Very good. Yes. Option 2 is the right answer. Fastest is speed, is how fast it is being accessed. Register can be accessed very fast because it resides inside the CPU, right? So CPU registers that to be accessed fast. And then next we have registers here, we have a cache here, and then we have the main memory, and then we have the secondary memory, and in this cache memory SRAM will be there. Remember, okay, SRAM will be there. So when it compared to SRAM, DRAM, SRAM will be accessed fast than DRAM. Okay, right. Next one. Read the question and then do. Do it very good. Yes. Okay. Yes. So here the right answer, listen very carefully, the right answer for this question is option number C is the right answer. Storage device hierarchy in terms of decreasing access time. See, when you come from the hierarchy with respect to speed and with respect to time, understand very clearly, with respect to speed, with respect to time. See, register speed is very high. Time, when you say time will be low. So low time means high speed it can, right? When I say it is traveling in a high speed means at a very minimum time it can go. That is why the speed is high means the time will be low. So that is very clear. So decreasing access time means which has the lowest access time, that is the register. That is for sure. Then we have the cache memory here, and then we have the main memory here. This main memory only we have the RAM and ROM. Next we have the secondary memory. In terms of secondary memory we have the magnetic disk, hard disk and all, right? That will come under here. And hard disk actually comes under that optical based disk, and then we have the magnetic tapes. Yes, speed increases means time will decrease. Exactly right. Yes, access time with respect to register it is low. Clear? Yes. Very good. Moving to the next question, do this one. Yes, do this one. Yes, do it. One minute more. 1 minute. Okay. Yes, right. The right answer. The right answer for this question is, sorry, Lenas. Yes, you all caught. Which is the following computer memory? They are ranked the slowest to fastest in terms of access time. Slowest to fastest. Just now we did. How can you give to access time? Which is slow access time? Which has the slowest access time? Slowest to fastest access time. Fastest, as we all know, that is register for sure. Then nothing ma, sorry ma. Okay, so fastest access time is what? The earthquake. Register. Okay, fastest is register and slowest will be your CD-ROM. Am I clear? Why you all gave 2? Why you all gave 2? Why you all gave 2? Right. And Kavya, for your doubt, you have asked me, ma'am, it is confusing with CD-ROM and DVD, floppy disk and magnetic disk. You asked me, right? So I'll just give you it right. I note it down. So first we have the magnetic disk, as we have here. See here, magnetic disk. That is a hard disk. Magnetic disk will be the fastest. Okay, that will come here. And then next we will be having the CD-ROM. We will be having the CD-ROM. And then next we will be having the DVD. And then next we have the floppy disk. Floppy disk. Am I clear? Is this question clear or not? I purposefully made this question to make you understand the concepts. See here, decreasing access time. Okay, which has the smallest access time. In terms of register, it will be of nanoseconds. Compared to the next catch level, that will be little bit more than that speed, that time. Okay, here they are asking slowest to fastest in terms of access time. Yes, clear? So here what will come? Kavya, in terms of storage, highest will be the hard disk. Wait, I'm just tell you clearly again. Listen, sharpen your ears and then listen to me. Here the question is about following computer memory types ranked from slowest to fastest in terms of access time. See the questions properly here. Please kindly listen carefully. In terms of access time, which is slow, which is fast. Fastest access. Quickly I have been accessed. Which one will be quickly accessed? That is register. So that should come here because the question is from slow to fast. So in terms of access time, which one will be quickly? Quickly is register. You understand? So quickly is with respect to register. That's why it comes here. In the before question, the question is with respect to decreasing access time. Exactly right. Yes. In the fast, it is the last one. Because the hierarchy they have asked is from the slow to fast. Write it down now clearly in your notebook. Very clearly in your notebook. Please write it down. Must the question. I am telling you, computer science, they will ask such kind of question to confuse you. Okay? Please write it down. I think last time you had a question in computer science. Major paper you had a question. That question is with respect to arranging the storage device ascending order based on their access time. Am I right? You got right? Magnetic disk, tape, main memory, optical disk, you had a question. That in terms of access time. Ascending order. It's a dropped question. Exactly right. Yes. So please try to get the differentiate between these two. Don't get confused. Okay. Okay. Now I move to the next one. And Kavya, for your question, this is with respect to speed. Okay, speed. With respect to speed, how much it accessed. And also with the storage sizes, magnetic disk will be of high and floppy disk will be low. I will order with respect to storage size also. Please note it down. With respect to storage size, magnetic disk will be high. After the magnetic disk, we will be having DVD, and then after DVDs, we will be having the CD. After this, we will be having the floppy disk. You understand? This is with respect to storage size. Storage size. Am I clear? Note it down. You asked me, right? Yes. In terms of access time, fastest will be magnetic disk. Yes. Very good. Yes. Critical questions, right? Next one. Now do this one. Yes. Quick answers for this question, please. Very good, very good. Yes, good, good. Aha, 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 aha. Again, read the question. Computer memory on basis of the increasing memory access time from low to high. Increasing memory access time from low to high. Computer science. Which has the increasing memory access time from low to high. Poch. Read it carefully, learners. Very good. Yes, right, right. Yes. Very good. Yes, right. Very good. Gave right answers. The right answer is option number. Why few people are giving wrong answers, I don't know. Why few people are giving wrong answers? Right answer is option number 2. So increasing memory access time from low to high. Which one will have the low access time? Registers will have the low access time. Then which one will be there? Then after registers we will be having the cache memory, right? And then which one will be there? Then we will be having the main memory, and then we will be having the secondary memory. Am I clear? Yes, very good. I don't know why you all, some people have given four option. Yes, next one on board. Next one from ICT. Quick, come on, quick. This is from ICT, Excel. Data in spreadsheets are always correct. The spreadsheet software cannot draw graphs. Yes, quick. Yes, very good, very good. Very good. Read it, read it, read it. Yes, right, right. Very good. Right answer is option number C and D is the right answer, because it is not, data and spreadsheets are not always correct. If we do mis formulation, means there will be a possibility of giving wrong answer. We can eliminate this. Cannot draw bar graphs, it can draw graphs, right? So this is also eliminated. It recalculates. Whenever we have written the formula, it will be recalculated. So this is also right. In some cells can be locked for preventing it cannot be changed, right? This is also right. Very good. Next question. No, need this. Here these are the types of chart, learners. Please write, note it down. I will hide myself. Please note it down. These are the different types of charts that we use in Excel. Listen carefully. Column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart. So whenever we have a column chart, means where we will be having column based charts. There will be monthly scales of product A, B, C. We can compare the category, or between two categories we can do, that is column chart. Then we have a line chart. Line chart means it will be going like this, right? Line chart, that is line chart which shows trends over the time, trend. And then we have a pie chart. Pie chart means it will be like this, okay? So this we call pie chart. So pie chart talks about the display the parts of the whole one, which can show the percentage of share it has been done. Then we have the bar chart, where it will be comparing it horizontally, like this we'll be having, right? Bar chart will be having, okay? And then bar chart will be there. And then we have a scatter chart. Scatter chart means how the points has been distributed, that will be given in the scatter chart. And then we have a combo chart, where different two different types of things will be connected together, and that is called a combo chart. Yes. And then we have a waterfall chart. It is a different types of charts that we have to visualize the cumulative changes, what has been done last month, now how it has been improved. Like that we can just do have the cumulative changes, we can have the waterfall chart. And then we have histogram chart for frequency distribution. The example is this example scores distribution for the students. For that we can have the histogram. And then downward chart, like this it will be, right? No, downward chart, downward chart will be there, so that the similar to like of pie chart it will be look like, and that is called a downward chart. And radar chart is for multiple variables. Clear? Yes. Okay, right. And between the column chart means column chart will be like this, like this. Okay, right. It's clear. Note it down. We can expect questions to this one. Reshma ma'am, where ma'am? Either in Unify Study or where? I mean, YouTube channel or NAP? Where you are asking me, ma'am? These recent classes all are there in one single playlist only. The recent playlist, it was been updated to a single playlist. There I will show you, just check into it. To add a numeric values in column D from row D10 to D15, what should be used? Sum of D10 comma D15 will add D10 and D15. We can eliminate. Count D10 and D15 will count the number of 1 and 2, that will be counted, so we can eliminate this. To sum the values of D10 to D15, I have to give the range like this, okay? Yes, so that's why option 3 is the right answer. We don't have option 4. Clear? Yes, next one. Excel question. Now started Excel question. You try to do it. It is a simple as it is a simple logic, like if B2, already we have done, if B2 is equal to Sunny, then inner if should be calculated. Okay, this is nothing but not equal to. This is not equal to. If C2 is not equal to low means then I have to put yes, or I have to put no, else I have to put no. If this is not happened means then I have to put no. What will be the right answer? Calculate and tell. Calculate and then tell. So what is the question? What should be entered here in D2? So that here how many columns says yes? And also tell me how many columns says no. Obviously it will come right. Yeah, wait, I'll give you. This is 6. Friday, 1 minute, I'll give you. This is Friday, 1 minute, I'll give you. I'm giving. Sorry, it's a typo mistake. One minute. That is Friday and that is sunny and medium. Sunny and medium. Yes, actually this is no need of doing too much of things. What we have to check, the B2 value is what? B2 value is sunny and we have a C2 value is high here. What is the condition given? If B2 value is sunny means then go and check the C2 value. If B2 value is not sunny means just go and give no. So we can, what we can do, wherever we don't have sunny, we can simply go and give no. Here we can give no, here we can give no, right? First option done. Second one, what we have to check, if C2 is not equal to low means give yes. If C2 is equal to low means then give no. That is the meaning. So of C2 where it is equal to low, C2 is equal to low and also sunny is here. So here also I can give no over here. So what happens that this one here sunny and C2 is not equal to low. So then I can play yes. Similarly here it is sunny and the C2 is not equal to low. So here also I can play. So in Monday and Friday I can play. Monday and Friday I can play. Where I cannot play in Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday I cannot play. You understand? Learners, do you understand or not? Clear? Yes. So here what happened here? This is in Monday and Friday we can play, yes. And in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we can't play. Next. Sanjay Gautam, I need me to repeat. Yes, I will repeat. Listen once again. Question is what? If B2 is equal to sunny. B2 means what? B2. And C2 is equal to high. Sorry, C2 they have given us low. They are going to type this formula here in this one. They are going to type. After typing that, they will just drag this dot so that all that formula will be taken care in all the cells. So what happens first to this cell, we have to calculate if B2 is equal to sunny and C2 is not equal to, this operator is nothing but not equal to. If B2 is equal to sunny means go to next step. If B2 is not equal to sunny means just print no. Check the table here. Here this is sunny, here it is sunny and medium for Friday. Okay. So what will come here? Here we will be giving no. Here we will be giving no. Why? Because B2, this value is not sunny. So I have given no over here. And now I go to the second condition C2. If it is not equal to low means then type yes. Yes, it is not equal to low. So I have typed yes. Again I come to this one, sunny is equal to low. If it is not equal to no only, we have to type yes, or else we have to give no here. Here this one, it is low not equal to low. This is false. So I'll be going to the no condition. No will be printed. And here medium not equal to low. Yes, it is true. So that's why here yes. Clear? Yes. Very good. Here the right answer is Monday and Friday. Next problem, do this one. Quickly do it. We have some more questions to complete. Similarly had here also Friday, sunny, medium. My daughter got ready. She got ready. Daughter got ready. Okay, we will do one thing. Shall we do DI tomorrow morning? If you don't mind, just for half an hour to 45 minutes I will take. Just like a practice we will do. If it is okay means I will try to do DI tomorrow. I told you na. See, after taking ICT itself, many people went out. Okay, so tomorrow morning I'll try to do DI for 45 minutes. Just two different varieties of questions which we have. Okay, yeah, right. What is the answer for this question? I will hide myself. Okay, Reshma ma'am. Tomorrow I'll bring you. Then more than 1 hour. No problem. We'll do. I'll take cover. Don't worry, Manfred cover. I'll take. Tomorrow morning I will make a schedule and tomorrow morning we will do. Definitely, because see 3 tables today. But it will be easy only. But we will do tomorrow. For sure. Only DI. Those who are interested to do the DI, please do join. Yes, that 2 marks and 4 marks matters a lot. The right answer for this question is here also very simple. No need to do. No need to strain yourself. If B2 is not equal to raining means, then what we have to do? We have to go to the inner one. If B2 is equal to rainy means, just go and type no in the cell E2. So here we are going to do here. Okay. So E2, this formula has been typed. If B2 is not equal to raining, so where we have raining? We have raining here, so that we can give it is equal to raining. So directly I am going and giving no here. Okay, right. Then now we go for sunny. Yes, it is sunny. If C2 is equal to high, if it is equal to high means I have to give no here. So here no will come. And then windy, yes, the first formula it is right. Then high is equal to high, so definitely no will be printed, because see here, if C2 is equal to high means I have to type no here. Okay, right. Next one comes, so sunny not equal to raining, it is true, then it goes inside. C2 is medium, so medium is equal to high, then what, it is not, it is false, so it prints the S value. So here yes. Next, sunny not equal to raining, so it's true, it is true, so get inside. The C2, the value is here medium is equal to high, it is false, so go and print here yes. So Thursday and Friday is the right answer. Am I clear, learners? Am I clear? I will hide the form myself. Arun Kumar sir, now no need to overload. Please understand, boards and streams I have taken in the app session. But now taking boards and streams will make people complicated. It was there in the app session. Yeah. So you understand? Clear? Okay. Why we have given yes here? Because this value is not equal to raining. Here it is sunny, here it is also sunny. Here this value, the C column value is not equal. If it is equal to high means no should be printed. Here it is low, here it is medium, so it is printed yes. Good? Yes, the right answer is Thursday and Friday. Next questions from logical reasoning. Quickly we will do it because we have got sure short questions from logical reasoning fallacies. Come on, quickly do it, learners. Come on, quickly do it, please, quick. Yes, do it, quick. Yes, very good. Nap session if I take means then people will come and shout at me now. I'll try, Arun Kumar sir. Yes, right. Very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number 4 is the right answer. Obverse. So we have a 3 concept. One is called converse. Another one, right, I'll write it here, please note it down. One is converse, and then we have a contrapositive, and then we have a obverse, right? These are the 3 important logically equal statements that we have to remember. What we do in converse means we will just interchange the position of P and the Q. The subject predicate positions will be interchanged. So here we have the converse of, example, if I give all A R B, if I this given means what I have to do, I have to do all B R A. This is what the converse. But whether it is logically equivalent or not, that will be a question. And then in contrapositive, just I will tell what to do so that we can remember. What we have to do, we have to change the position of subject and the predicate. Interchange the position of subject and the predicate, that is converse. Contrapositive, what we have to do, we have to change the position of subject and the predicate. Interchange the position of subject and the predicate, and then add non to it, that is negation to subject and the predicate, and add non in subject and the predicate, right? That is contrapositive. Obverse means what we have to do, first we have to change the quality of the statement. Quality of the statement has to be changed, quality of the proposition has to be changed, and then next one what we have to do, we have to add non in the predicate, negation in the predicate. Clear? So this is about converse, obverse and a contrapositive. And converse is applicable for which logical reasoning? Converse is applicable for which one? Converse is being applicable for which one? Say if it is a A-type statement, if it is a A-type statement, then logically equivalent will be, if it is a A-type statement, obverse and contrapositive are logically equivalent. Understand? Obverse and contrapositive are equivalent in terms of a A-type statement. In type of a E-type statement, all the 3 are logically equivalent. Obverse, contrapositive and converse, all the 3 are logically equivalent. If it is a type of I-type statement, means which one will be equivalent? Obverse and converse will be logically equivalent. Obverse and converse will be logically equivalent. If it is a O-type statement, only obverse is the logically equivalent statement. So in all the 4 different types of proposition, A, E, I, O, obverse is said to be logically equivalent. Clear? Note it down. Very important, must ask question. Next one, do this one. So here the right answer for this question is option number 4. We are doing the obverse. What do you mean by obverse? First we have to change the quality. Here it is given universal negative, so I am going to change it to universal positive. So the universal positive is what? It is all. So the quality is being changed. Universal remains the same, -2, positive I am changing. So amperes will be remains the same, amperes are. In the predicate part I am going to add non-partitions. Clear? Yes, very good. Do this one, learners. Do this one. Easy question. It's 10:40. Okay. Tomorrow timing I will let you know. Regarding DI timings, tomorrow I will let you know. Tomorrow we will be doing some 45 to 1. If it is okay means I will take 1 hour. 1 hour of DI, no problem. I will take schedule and I will let you know. No signs are materialist. Find the logically equivalent statement for this one. Yes, very good. Easy one. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, what type is that one? What kind of conversion it is? Can you please tell me what conversion it is? Can you please tell me what conversion? Either it is converse, obverse or contrapositive. Which one it comes under? Which one it comes under? Yeah, great, 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 great. Very good, very good. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, do this one now. The right answer for this question is option 1 is the right answer. Very easy question. Next question on board. Do this one. Right is option 1. Today, do this one. Which of the following statements are logically equivalent? Practice these questions, learners. Okay, logically equivalent questions, practice, and practice the fallacy question, revise the concepts, and then practice Indian logic. With this topic most important, and also we have done connotation, denotation. Just do your revision. Yes, all philosophers are underpaid scholars. All philosophers are non-underpaid scholars. No underpaid scholars are philosophers. Yes, very good. Which are logically equivalent. You can take this statement and you can compare. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option A is the right answer. How option A is the right answer? This is a E-type statement. Okay, so in no PR underpaid scholars. This is a E-type statement. What will be the converse of it? What will be the converse of it? No underpaid scholars are philosophers. It is not there, so no problem. What is the contrapositive of it one? What is the contrapositive? Contrapositive, we have to make the no similar. No underpaid scholars are philosophers. Yes, come on, quickly tell me. Yes, no underpaid scholars are philosophers. Just I am going to add non in the front of these things. This we can add, but no problem. Then what is the obverse of this one? What is the obverse? I am going to change the quality. If I change the quality means all will come. So all philosophers or non unpaid scholars. So these two options are definitely equivalent. A, B are equivalent. And then what is C? No underpaid scholars are philosophers. That is nothing but the converse of it. Right? So this is also right. So A, B, C is the right answer. Exactly. For this one, A, B is the obverse and C is the converse. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good, learners. This is easy. Huh. Okay. Do this one quick. Do this one. Find the mood and also a figure. Tell me the figure also. Tell me the figure also. Yes, very, very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, yes. What is the figure? Figure, figure. Yes. What is, some people are giving EAO, some people are giving AEO. Why so much of confusion there? Some people are giving EAO, some people are giving AEO. Why? Yes. The right answer is option 1 is the right answer. Why all giving AEO and all? So this is E type statement, this is A type statement, this is O type statement. So this is the middle which happened here. So we can remember this one. So this angle it is. So this is 4. So figure number 4. So option 1 is the right answer. Okay, right? Yes, very good. And thank you so much, learners. I hope you would have enjoyed the session. Please do revision on the topics which I have given to you. Let this be the homework question for you. Give the answer for this homework question in the chat box. Right, give the answer for this question in the chat box. We will see tomorrow for data interpretation. I'll be giving you letting you know the time in the YouTube channel, right? Tomorrow morning we will meet again for data interpretation. Those who are interested, those who have to practice DI, most welcome to join tomorrow morning. Yes, so thank you so much, learners. Thank you for all your hearts. Don't waste your time. Do your preparation. Drink more water. Just to do some walking. Don't sit in the same place. Move around the place and then study. Okay, so I hope you would have enjoyed the session. Thank you so much, learners. We will meet tomorrow morning. Okay, until then, bye. Take enough sleep. Don't compromise your night sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours of night sleep is most essential. Whatever you have studied, it is enough. Go with that one, because it is not announced one day before the examination. Okay, it has been announced well ahead of time. So we had done so many preparations, so many practices. So give enough time for your body to get back. So give 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. That is most important to do your exam well. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Tata, bye bye. See you tomorrow morning. Bye. Give the answer for this question and also the feedback.